stop that.
Jeez.
Okay, so now
I'm just reenacting it.
they told me that's the easiest maneuver and I can't do it.
What is this? Okay. German cars.
Hello, come on. You got plenty of... What are you shaking your head at me for?
Oh, that was bad.
Hiya guys, welcome back to Clearview Driving. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Amin and I am a driving instructor. Now today's video is very different from my usual content. You can see I'm not in my car for once. I'm actually at home and I'm in the middle of doing a big renovation at home, and I will be recording all of this and editing and uploading for you guys, but that will be over on my personal channel. You can find the link up here. But let's get into today's video. Now 2023 has been an amazing year. We're currently nearly at 600,000 subs, and only just this year I hit 100,000, which was amazing, and to be at nearly 600,000 blows my mind. But I truly appreciate you guys, so thank you so much for all your love and support, for liking, for sharing, for commenting, everything. I see it, so thank you so much. Now today's video is all the highlights from this year, so all the bits that made you laugh, all the bits that were a bit difficult to watch, all the bits that you learnt from, the funny parts, everything is in today's video, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to stop rambling on so you can go straight into today's video. Hope you enjoy it. Before I get going, if you do enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and that is it from 2023. Enjoy today's video. We're recording, by the way.
Are we?
Everything's recorded right now.
I don't care, whatever, man.
Okay, cool. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, 3. 1 second, no, I've got to do my introduction. 3, 2, 1. Clearly you haven't seen any of my videos.
They come on my feed, I don't choose to go on them.
Okay, 1 second. 3, 2, 1, go. Well done. That guy was fun. I'll tell you later. Okay, so how was your drive now?
Good.
Yeah, you dealt with those really nicely. I'm really happy with that. Because I had to sit there in silence. I was like, let me see how she deals with this. And when you get to the end, come back to brake and clutch. Did you forget? Did you forget we were gonna stop?
No, I didn't, because I thought you were gonna take control.
What? Okay, so now
I'm just reenacting it. Gonna have to reverse this one. Don't want to hit the trash. I messed up. Am I on the line?
well, the line's over here.
Oh my. Oh no.
What did you think?
I thought there was another line up there. I thought I was behind the line.
Can you see the traffic light from here?
Yeah.
The one next to you. Yeah.
Yeah. No, I can't. Ah, no.
We can't see ahead of this guy, can we?
No.
So what should we do?
Slow down.
Yeah. We want to drop back. Because we have no idea why he's braking right now.
Oh my god.
Take a hint, Aaron. There was a cyclist in front of him, that's why he was braking. Good. But anyways, large vehicles. Everyone wants to be out today. Large vehicles, keep further back, okay?
Why did he decide to get out of the car when I was literally about to smash him?
We'll have to go ask him that. Oh, and the indicators are on the other side.
Yeah, that's...
I keep getting this.
every time I keep on turning the wipers on.
Yeah. Stop. Oh goodness. Stop. Oh goodness. Okay, Thank you. I'm not going to get you to do that again, and drive off when you're ready. Oh, red light, red light.
See that?
Stop there.
Jeez, who's coming fast?
Stop there.
Jeez, who's coming fast?
You okay?
Yeah, alright. When I looked, it looked clear, but then
It's one of those ones where you really can't see. Juvenile trying to come off the zipper.
yeah, I need to get off, don't I? Focus on the road. No, he's not going.
After 90 yards, turn left, then, at the end of the road, turn right.
Oh my gosh.
Just move away from this car. No, don't go any forward. Turn that way.
This way?
Yeah, turn it to the right.
Okay.
And just slowly lift that clutch a little bit. And turn it all the way. ਇੱਥੇ ਸਪੀਡ ਲਿਮਟ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਆ? ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸਪੀਡ ਲਿਮਟ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਆ ਰੋਡ ਦੀ? ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਵੈਸੇ
ਨਾਰਮਲ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ
ਹਾਂ
ਇਹ ਮਤਲਬ ਡਰਦੇ ਨਾਕਾ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾਰਮਲੀ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਚਲਾਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੰਨੀ 30 40 ਕੁਛ ਇਦਾਂ
50 ਤੇ ਚਲਾ ਲਓ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ
50
ਨਹੀਂ
ਓਕੇ ਚੱਲ ਸਹੀ ਆ
50 ਤੋਂ 60 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਜਿਓ ਬਸ
Okay,
ਜਿੱਦਾਂ
ਚੱਲ ਸਹੀ ਆ।
ਨਾਕਾ ਨੂੰ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਨਹੀਂ,
ਕਰਦੇ
ਵੈਸੇ
ਹੋ ਨਾਕਾ
ਪੁੱਛਦੇ।
ਨਾਕਾ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂਗਾ ਚੱਕਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਮਿਟ
ਓਕੇ ਚਲੋ ਸਹੀ ਆ
ਇੰਜੋਏ ਕਰੋ
Okay, now this idiot, he can see I'm coming, but he still wants to go in the middle.
Oh, you just spat. Go on, dude.
Joe,
Why is he just standing there? Go on, take your time. Oh, he's gonna touch your wing mirror. 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 He's gonna touch your wing. You're gonna touch his wing.
I'm not going to touch
Oh
his
my god. That's a nice technique you have there with your hands. What's going on? Must be the car. It's not my fault, I'm not used to it.
Mirrors. I'm telling you, I checked them. Oi! Hello, come on. You got plenty of... What are you shaking your head at me for? Hello, come on. You got plenty of... What are you shaking your head at me for? Did you see the amount of space he had between him and the curb? I didn't... Shake him. I'll let him off. He looks like he had more years of experience. I'll let him off.
Alright, so that's the end of your test. Okay, so realistically, if this was your driving test, you would not have passed.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Thank you. Drive off when you're ready.
Right, what's going to happen here with these lights? Are you going to come towards me at the same time? Yes. Am I going to sit in the box? No. You can beep at me, but I'm not going to sit in a box.
Are we not allowed to go in the yellow box?
I didn't think we were allowed to stop in it. Some of them have cameras on them. I know that I've been done by a few.
We're in. Okay.
But I have to wait until it's completely clear.
Yeah.
Not even if they're turning right as well.
No.
Oh.
Are you ready? Stop. Thank you.
What's funny? Wait.
There's so many people walking. I don't know, why are they walking so early? I feel like I'm diagonal. They tell me that's the easiest maneuver and I can't do it. I'd rather parallel park. And you made me do it.
Do they merge? I think they merge. No, this and the right merge.
This is feeling awfully close now, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna let this guy go ahead of me. I've passed. Was that year 1? Yedding, okay. I've passed. Stuart signed it.
Guys.
I'm a qualified driver now.
Keep going, keep going, keep going,
This
keep
is
going,
a red
keep
light.
going. No, it's not.
I thought it was.
It's not the red light. It's not for you.
Oh.
No, don't rush. Just let him cross now. He's distracted actually. He's on his phone, isn't he?
Oh,
I can see him.
he is.
Yeah. Silly. Now you want to make sure, because you know he's that close, when you brake, you have to brake early so that you give him more time to react. Because the last thing we want is we brake quickly and then he crashes into our car.
Yeah. There we go. I'm actually driving
Like
at
you
the
really
speed
got far,
limit.
mate.
That's so embarrassing.
Oh no, no. Carry on driving. We're
Oh.
not parking. We were meant to
Oh,
just,
we're supposed to
just
turn.
drive, yeah. Oh, we've just missed our turn. Oh no, no. Carry on driving. We're
Oh.
not parking. We were meant to
Oh, we're
just,
supposed to
just
turn.
drive, yeah. Exits on the left.
Thank you.
And then turn left. I see it, AJ. I see it.
You know, Curtis, when you said, I like the videos when she does a little smirk. I think the little smirk is not so little.
Yeah. Genuinely,
That tidal wave that hit me from the
Whitchurch
side.
is when
Keep your
Whitchurch
hands on the
flooded.
wheel.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Kurt,
Sorry.
Jesus.
Yeah, no, yeah.
He's talking like this the
So
whole
you know
time.
why? Because my car. I
You're
don't
pointing
have
at her
to.
now.
Because my car, which is bad, it drives itself, so I take my hands off everything.
Romeo driving
He's
like that.
really
That's
putting his foot
reckless.
down, isn't he?
Isn't it?
He
Recklessness.
probably passed with you.
That's funny, that's funny. See, parking just comes like second nature to me, right? I would do this one-handed, but for, oops. Who is this? Okay. German cars.
Drive off whenever you're ready.
Oh yeah, see that's, I wonder if that, if I need to do that.
Do what?
I just realised about the look behind, because I'm basically, you know what, that could be a mistake there. So I done it then,
Yeah.
only because I was conscious of the fact of like looking, I was thinking, damn.
You know what? This was, if the, is it DVSA?
Mhm.
If they were watching, they'll be like, you know what, this guy just drives to our standard. We need to like, if more people could drive like this,
What, you think
Then-
they'd just upgrade you straight to an instructor now, yeah?
you know what, that's a good idea. I didn't even say it, you said it. Do you reckon I could join you?
I'll put your name forward.
Thank you very much. Maybe one day I'll be part of the Clearview driving team.
Sammy, you need to go halfway when they're far away, okay?
Yeah, no.
Sorry. Sorry, that's not your fault at all. Okay? okay? You okay?
Yes, yes.
No, go. Can I go?
No, you can't go. Seriously? You're over there asking me, can I go? Oh god.
I got it finally. Because yesterday, before yesterday, we talking. Aman invest on me more than 1 year.
Stop. Alright, thank you. I'm not going to get you to do that again. Drive off when you're ready.
Make sure I look back, because I saw the guy got a major fault for not looking back. Forget his name. The guy from Love Island.
So I feel like everyone just wants to overtake me now. I don't like that feeling. I do have a natural racer inside.
What's the speed down this road then? What did you think it was?
I thought it was 40. I was wondering why is everyone trying to overtake me? I missed the sign.
Failed road surface, it says. Oh! I literally just read it. Did you read the sign? Could you show me how you test the horn is working?
Like that.
Yeah, could you show me?
Right, actually, okay.
So much aggression, man. Thanks.
Oh, that was bad.
Car's not on. Car's not on. Come on, put the clutch in. Twist the key all the way. Twist it back. And then twist it all the way. Okay, so that is the end of your test, and I'm sorry to say, but you wouldn't have passed.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Which point?
Okay,
First point,
right at the end.
Right at the end?
Yeah. That emergency stop.
Yeah.
After the emergency stop, I asked you to move off.
In a safe manner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you do?
Went into first gear, checked my mirrors and continued.
Checked your mirrors and continued.
Yeah.
You didn't check your blind spots. We're in the middle of the road. Okay, Sam, what we're going to do now, using the vehicle ahead, I'd like you to demonstrate how you would carry out the parallel parking. Start alongside the vehicle in the road, then reverse back and finish within 2 car lengths, and treat this driveway as a raised curb. Yeah?
Alright.
Oh, Erin! Oopsies. How you feeling?
Yeah.
Did you expect to pass?
No. There were so many things that I did so badly. I thought I failed in the first like 5 minutes.
No way, go have a seat first. I thought we were supposed to go around the roundabouts.
What do you mean? What did I do?
We'll talk about it in a second. There you go. Touchdown! Look at your feet. Like, look, you're not even near the clutch. Your leg's up here.
What's wrong with me?
You're too quick on the clutch.
Okay.
With the clutch, you're stalling because you're just trying to let go.
Yeah.
That's not what we want to do. The clutch is a smooth transition. This movement here. You're doing this. Like, why is it not moving? You're just slamming them together, you know? Alright guys, that is it. That is a wrap for 2023. Hopefully you have enjoyed the content all throughout this year. Thank you so much for all your support, and there's a lot more to come in 2024. Let's go. Bye.